Hey guys, what do you think is cute? I'm not sure what's cute. Small stuff are like cute, like animals. Animals are cute. I have a dog, but it isn't here right now. Oh, I see a cat. Its name is Boo. Here's Boo. Yeah. Yeah. Boo. You're so cute. Yeah. Yeah. It's my cat. Say meow. Say meow. Oh, she's like the cutest cat ever, and I'm never gonna get rid of her. Never. Cause she is really smart. Cause guess what? One time, it was a really smoking hot day, and the air conditioning was on the floor, and she sat like right there. That's how smart she is. She sat like, let's say this is Oh, stay. Oh, oh, she left. Oh well. Well, bye. Hope you like this. Hope you like Boo's cute. Thanks for watching. Comment and subscribe. Bye.